We are live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. It's UST against Adamson, our first game for our U AAP Season 4. Navarro against Barroga. First basket, first by Albena. Now sitting in play for number 2, Laios. 10 to shoot. Steal by Adamson. Now Kinichu. Hook. Yes, first basket on Navarro. Now 2-0. It's Adamson versus UST. Now Laios. Albena. Barroga. 14 to shoot. Now Laios all the way. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Kinichu. Kinichu now. Kinichu. It's 9 minutes. Albena. Back to Albena. First basket, 3-point shot. Too strong. Rebound on number 12, Kinichu. Guard by Laios. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Kinichu, 1-1. Nice pass downside. Too strong. Rebound on Barroga. We're live and alive for a Facebook page on Basketballista. Top. Kinichu again. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Abuyan. First on Abuyan. First team foul, UST. Now Kinichu, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Luna, too strong. Luna again. Pass outside. Number 19, top, short. Foul. Foul on number 29 on Luna. First on Luna. First team foul, Adamson. Now Laios. Tihada, first basket, too strong, air ball. Rebound by Datu. Datu to coast to coast. Nice defense on Laios. Oh, intercepted by Laios. Now it's Laios guarded by Luna. Laios again. Looking for Tihada. Tihada. Back to the point guard, Laios. Albena, 3-point shot, basket, bang, 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 bang. Goal, Albena. 3-2. 1 point in now on UST. 8 minutes. Now Kinichu. Navarro. Hook. Too strong. Pass to Luna. In and out again. Top. Jump ball. It's UST ball. UST. Yellow. Oh, Adamson ball. Adamson. First ball in UST. Adamson ball. Inbounding Navarro. Now Kinichu, 10 to shoot. Luna. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Luna! 5-3. Back to 2-point lead on Adamson. Now Abuyan. Albena now, back to Abuyan. Abuyan, 3-point shot, in and out. Rebound by Luna. Luna is 1-1, Kinichu pick, Kinichu drive, Kinichu, yes, oh, Pikachu, Kinichu. Now 7-3. 4-point lead now, Adamson. Tihada, yes, oh, Barroga on Barroga, now 5-7. Back to 2-point lead on Adamson in 7 minutes. Kinichu, Luna. Pass to Navarro, oh, in and out. Navarro again, foul. Foul on number 27. Oh, 27 on Barroga. First on Barroga. Second team foul, UST. In 6 minutes and 54 seconds, 7-5. We are live on the Facebook page on Basketballista. And 6 minutes and 54 seconds. 8-5. 3-point lead, Adamson. Now, Layos in a play to Tihada. Favorite shot, short again. Before by Dato. Dato to Luna. Luna, stop up. Favorite shot again by Luna. Too strong. USD ball. USD. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Now, Layos. Alvin again. In and out. One by Navarro. Now Luna, 1-1. Luna drive. Luna again too strong. Di ba ay Tihada? Tihada. Oh! Discommunication to her against Alvena. Now 6 minutes. Luna, too strong. Alvena, it's 2-1. Luna, Alvena. Oh, it's still by Kinichu. Kinichu. It's 3-on-3. Kinichu, kickball. Kickball. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 8-5. 3-point lead. Adamson. Now Navarro. Guarded by Layos. Navarro. Navarro again. Too strong. Di ba by Barroga? Now Barroga. So Robin Belly still traveling. Turnover again on USD. Back-to-back turnover against USD. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. It's 8 against 5. Adamson. Now Kinichu. Navarro. Guarded by Parroga. 14 to shoot. Steal again on Layos. It's 5 minutes. Now Layos. Oh! Adamson ball, Adamson. Now, Kinichu, drive, Kinichu escape, Kinichu. Nice defense of Tihada, Barroga. It's Barroga now, it's 4-on-2. Barroga, nice outside by years now, 7-8. 1 point lead on Adamson. It's a 4-0 run against USD. Now Kinichu to Dato. Dato hook shot in and out. Rebound on Tihada. Tihada to Bayutan. Abuyan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Goal Alvena. 10-8. 2 point lead now. USD. 4 minutes.
Timeout po.
Luna. Short. Rebound again by Alvena. It's 3-on-3. Alvena stop up. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Alvena. 13-8.
Sabi ko, kukuhanin ko yung ito. May bibigay ka 200? 200? Bigay mo 200 daw?
Hoy, lumalabas yung tira sa labas, oh.
Pusbagat. Foul on number 6. Oh, 62. 13 foul on USD. Steal again. Alvena by 1-1 by Luna. Alvena stop pump. Defense on Luna. Time out on USD. It's 13-8. 5 point lead on USD.
Tignan nyo yung sinad mo sa kanya para ano. Tignan mo yung sinad mo sa kanya, boss. Ayaw mo. Usap kayo, usap. Oh, tubig dito, tubig, tubig.
This is our first game, first match on our UAP Season 4 by Basketballista. It's USD versus Adamson. Our score, 13-8. 5 point lead USD. Inbounding Baroga. Now Alvena. Too strong. Up. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line on Tihada.
Stepping.
It's 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Now, Kinichu. Luna. Back in and out. Lions rebound. 2 minutes and 50. Abuya now. Abuya jump. In and out. Rebound by Tihada. Tihada. To Baroga. 14 minutes at 14. Now Abuyan. Now the play guard. Lions. Time to shoot. Big. Nice play. Short again. Top. 10. Time to shoot. Short. Now Kinichu. It's 3-2. Kinichu drive. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Abuyan. 13 foul against UST.
Personal foul. Abuyan second personal.
Second personal foul on number 16 on Abuyan. Score 13, still 8. It's 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time on first quarter, first game, first match for our UAP. Rebound by Tihada. Now the point guard, Lions. Tihada, 1-on-1 by Navarro. Too strong, nice defense on Navarro. Now number 19 to Kinichu. Kinichu, 1-on-1. Kinichu all the way. Oh, pick-up to Kinichu. 10, 13. 3-point lead now. Abuyan. Again, and now to Navarro. Foul on Navarro. First on Navarro, second team foul on Adamson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Almera! 16 to 10. 6-point lead now, USD. Navarro. Wow! What a play for the veteran Navarro. Not 12. 16. It's 4-point lead on USD. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now, Lions. Asbo, pabin again. Too strong. Rebound on number 19. Now, Kinichu. Pikachu, Kinichu. Nice, I said, drive, Kinichu, foul. Wow, offensive foul on Kinichu Pikachu. It's 13 foul on Adamson. First on Kinichu Pikachu. Tihada. Lions. Too strong. Rebound again on Barroga. Strong move from the strong guy, Barroga. 18-12. 40 seconds. Foul.
All 1-5.
16-17.
Warning for penalty on UST. Warning for penalty. Six 12, 18, 12, 6-point lead. Now 18-13, 5-point lead on UST. It's 30 seconds. Now Alben again, looking for the big guy Barroga. Lions, 14 to shoot. Wow! Bang, bang, bang on Barroga. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Luna. In and out. And now for first quarter score. 21 against 13. 8-point lead on USD. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Second quarter, second quarter.
Labasan nyo. Pag may bantay sa
It's USD ball, USD. Takin tayo, sir, para maganda. Takin tayo. O, takin shirts tayo. Takin shirts. O, yung mahikaw natin. Pakitanggal.
Sir, takin kayo, sir. Nangingin kayo, nangingin lahat player eh. Wala. Lagi niyo isa. 100 lagi. Berapa? Alam ka niyo. Sini.
Ocampo.
Ocampo. Whoa! What a hook shot now. 23-13. 10 point lead now. USD. Alcala.
Shooter! Shooter!
Too strong. Tap. Jug. Ah, tap.
Tapos!
Now, Royal. Still by Alcala. Alcala now. Guarded. Alcala. It's 2-1. Pass outside. Alcala next play.
No, I
Pag di kaya.
should waiting for me. Huh?
Yes!
Take a picture. All.
Pre, tatlo kayo, pre! Tatlo, ibulay. Nice,
Wait
Miguel!
a minute.
Oh, let's go!
25-13.
Hold the plan.
Kagar, gilis, kagar!
Dali. Huh? What he said? No. Siri? I never take it. No. Yeah, yeah.
Whoa! Kabuya. 15-25.
Mas Mike, pakisabi ka dito. Okay na yung 1-5 namin.
You give me 1-5 only. Okay? Ras? 1-5.
Same ball, same ball.
19? 18.
Warning on delaying the game.
Give me
300?
Bababa mo na sa'yo. Mamaya pagkatapos.
Warning on USD for delaying the game.
What? Wait, 1 people.
Tap.
Ano po?
Yan, dinayin niyo si CJ. Huwag niyo ng panin, huwag niyo patanggalin ng bola.
They will come? Oh, I don't understand. Sir, what is it? Now, 2,000. The second game, give it now 300, the 700 second game.
Which one?
Second game.
Second game? She will wait for it till when? When?
Second game.
What time? 9 o'clock? She will wait till 9 o'clock.
Nabak na, wala na yan.
Whoa! Now 27-15. Nice job by Dance. Alcala. Now got it. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, he got it. Now 18-27. Back to 9-point lead. Oh, another steal. Yellow ball, yellow. It's USD ball. 18 to shoot. 18. Seven minutes and 10. Now Vial. 14 to shoot. Bang! What a great move by Dance. 29 to 18. 11-point lead. USD. Alcala. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. On number 04. Now 21. 29. Nice shot by CJ. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Vial. Fake. Ocampo. And to shoot. Air ball. Jug. Now Alcala. Passed outside to safe spot. Short.
Aten!
It's yellow ball. USD ball. 6 minutes. 29 to 21. It's USD. Now Ocampo.
Para!
32 to 21. Back to 11 point in again to UST. Alcala.
Mix, kala mo, shooter!
Gary.
Goya.
Ayaw, kita!
Jag. Nice play. 10 to shoot. Too strong. 5. Wow! Ano mo? 23 to 32. Nice. Pass by Gabuya. Now Campo. Too strong. Out foul.
Number 2.
Foul on Gary. It's ground zero ball.
First.
14 is a second 14. On Campo. 5 minutes. Esteva. Nice break. Short. Wow! Alligator took now 34 to 23. Back to 11 point in UST.
Magsas kayo!
Magkasila, shooter, ha?
Carry again. Nalagon to strong air ball. Now Campo. Rodriguez. Foul on Nalagon. Now first on Nalagon. First team foul. Adamson. It's 34 to 23.
18 Tremendous.
Esteva. 40 seconds back. Black. Wow, rebound again. Now move strong. Side step to in and out. Rebound by the research. Alcala. Jag. Expect. Oh, now 25 to 34. Back to 9-point lead on UST. Ocampo. 14 to shoot. Esteva. Goyal. Stop pump air ball. Step again. 10 to shoot.
Goya.
Short. Time out. Adamson. It's 3 minutes and 34 seconds. 34 against 25.
Ang ganda ng camera ko ng Pagkaya.
Kasi kitang-kita na, makuha mo na. Hayaan nyo, malaglag ang bola.
And our second match, second game. It's Lasal versus UP.
Si Kuya Ryan? Si Ryan yan?
Now CJ Alcala. Foul.
Si Rabuya.
Foul on number 3.
Dance.
On Dance, first on Dance. First team foul, UST.
Shooter!
Second USP.
Alcala. Nalagon, airball. It's 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Ocampo. Now sila play. Ocampo. Nice pass outside. Nice pass outside. Nice step up. Too strong. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Nalagon.
Gar, paikot muna, kuya. Paikot muna.
Alcala to CJ.
Gamitin mo muna doon. Sige.
In and out. Liban on Dual. Now Ocampo. Kadwe Alcala. Ocampo drive. Ocampo looking for a step by step. Pass to Goyal. Goyal open front. Air ball on Malagon. Now 1-on-1 number 12. Too strong. In and out again. Top back. Ow! In and out. Rebound again. Foul. Foul on Goyal. 13 foul UST.
Second Goya.
Second personal foul on Goyal. It's 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
Dalawa set. Fourth. Ulitin niyo. Dalawa na. Isa pala, isa pala.
Goyan?
Two minutes and 22 seconds. Now 26 to 34, 8-point lead now against UST. Ocampo. Now Guyal, back to Ocampo. Can to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Now 37 to 26, back to 11-point lead on UST. Now Alcala. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Shooter ulit! Ayan na!
Steal by Guyal. Ocampo. It's 3-2. Ocampo. Yes, on Ocampo. 39 to 26. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Steal by Dance. Dance. Sidestep Dance. Yes, on Dance. 41 to 26. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Bawi lang, bawi!
Chang to CJ. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on CJ. 1 minute and 15. Steal by Alcala. Alcala, 1 and 1. Drive, go to yes, now 31 to 41. Back to 10-point lead on UST. It's 1 minute. Esteva. Ocampo. By Alcala. Dance. Rumbling violation. 52 seconds. 52. Now Alcala. CJ. Fake.
Post game mo sa game.
Too strong.
Diretso!
Post game mo sa game.
Esteva now. 35 seconds. Ocampo. Wow, nice defense on there. 14 to shoot. 31 seconds. 14 to shoot.
First game. Second game. Second quarter. I call you.
10 to shoot. Esteva. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot.
Then,
Block. Now Gambuya, 10 seconds. 7 seconds, 7 seconds. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UST against Adamson, our first game, first match. 5 seconds. And now for our second quarter score.
nakadalawa.
It's 41 to 31. It's all UST.
Gamig yung plus 5.
Last 5. Isang kulang.
Pagkulang sa puno.
Third quarter tayo.
Nakadalawa na siya. Sino yan?
Third quarter, third quarter.
Ayun, player na rin si Mark ah. Mark 88.
Now Lee. Foul on 0-0.
Sir, you take him money?
Oh, yan na, yan na!
Tell me you take 100?
Origin to shoot. Rebound on Abdulaziz.
Bulanan.
Bulanan. Traveling violation, traveling.
Sayang boy. Mighty.
Hoy, lapit ka pa konti.
Maglalaro.
Hoy!
Sana naging player na rin.
It's 9 minutes. Now, Bulanan. Too strong. Wow, rebound on Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz, the rebound and the point guard now. Looking for Lee. Lee. Nice pass. Alzale! What a play from Adamson. It's 33 against to 41. Back to 8-point lead on USD. Now, Bulanan. Guarded by Lee. 3-second violation on the USD's back-to-back turnover against USD. It's 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Now Lee. Nice drive, foul. Oh, traveling violation on number 11
Manzano.
on Manzano.
Hoy, mapairali yung sakit mo.
It's 41 to 33, 8-point lead against USD. Bulanan.
Alzabi.
Short. 10 to shoot. 10.
Tira, hindi mo nga ng ring.
Wow! Back-to-back turnover on USD. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 41 to 33. Still 8-point lead on USD. Lee. 10 to shoot.
Lee.
Landing spot, uy.
Oh, it's back-to-back turnover again on USD. It's 7 minutes. This is just our first game, first match for our UAAP Season 4 by Basketballista. And we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Al... Mendoza.
Top.
Ay, Manzano, 11.
Oh, nice defense on Gonzalez. Oh, yellow ball. It's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. First game, third quarter. Bulanan. Guard by Gonzalez. Nice defense. Oh, steal again by Concepcion. Lee. 1-1 by Bulanan. Lee. Too strong, Gonzalez. 14 to shoot. 14. Now, Abdulaziz. Concepcion. 10 to shoot. Ah, defense. 6 minutes. Now, Bulanan. Steal. Now, it's steal. 41 to 33, 8-point lead on USD.
Kaya mo na, magbayad. Wala ko ginawa ni Sheriff.
Nice knee.
Lee.
Too strong.
Josh, tira mo, Josh.
Foul on number 5.
Di ay ba, huwata ang hatag, wala yung hatag ng Sheriff. Huwata. May mga hatag ka ron, di ba? Papawata siya. Ako yung ibayad na.
Foul. Foul on number 25. Second team foul on USD.
One po rin yata. Pero 15 mo ko.
Technical.
Foul on number 11. Masabi now third team foul on USD first. On Al-Sarabi.
Bakit ganun?
Baliktarin mo na lang.
10 to shoot.
Gonzalo.
Five.
Lee.
Air ball.
Mark. Abdulaziz.
Foul on Abdulaziz. First on Abdulaziz, first team foul. Against John Adamson. It's 4 minutes and 20.
Yung sinabi ko sa iyo ha, si Rabuya 94 ha.
National?
94, yung 12 na nagkamali,
4 minutes. Still by Bulanan. Al-Sabi. Yes, now 43 to 33. Back to 10-point lead on UST. Traveling violation, traveling. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Uminom ka ba ng gamot mo? Kaya taon ng gamot.
Lee. Whoa! What a move by Concepcion, up 35 to 43. 3 minutes. Fourteen to shoot. Short, block. Tapay Lee. Nice play. Bang! Basket count and one of number 11. Foul on number 24. Uniyay. Al, warning for penalty on UST.
11 Manzano.
On the great move by Manzano, it's 43 to 37. 6-point lead now. On UC, rebound on UST, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Bulanan. Al-Sabi, in and out, Gonzalez. Now Gonzalez. Right, foul. Foul on number 10 on Bulanan. Penalty rep. First on Bulanan. UST now on penalty. It's 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 6-point lead, UST. Bulanan. Al-Sabi out. Traveling violation on Al-Sabi. 2 minutes. Fake Lee. Steal by Bulanan. Gonzalez. 14 to shoot. 3-second violation on Abdulaziz. Now 1 minute and 45 seconds. It's 43 to 37.
Gamitin niyo.
Short. 1 minute 38 seconds.
Good.
Lee. In and out. Oh, Gonzalez. It's your ball. It's 1 minute and 24 seconds. Third quarter. Our first game. Air ball. Too strong. Al-Sabi. Al-Sabi goes to coast foul. Coast foul rep. Foul on Gonzalez. Second team foul. Adamson. First on Gonzalez.
Contact.
44 to 37. It's UST ball, UST.
This one is for just now.
Short.
After I
Now Abdulaziz.
will say.
Lee. Mendoza. Too strong. Lee again. Block. 1 minute. Al. Sidestep. Nice defense by Gonzalez. Yes, and mula na now 46 to 37. 45 seconds.
Ayun.
Gonzalez again. 35 seconds.
Oh,
Black foul.
Al.
Foul on number 24 now. Penalty left.
Al, second personal foul.
Second personal foul against Al.
Long bound. Oh.
33 seconds. Thirty seconds. Short. 25 seconds.
Ikaw! Bigyan doon sa kapila!
15.
Hello.
Bang! 48. 37. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 3. And number third quarter score 48 against the 37. It's all USD.
Morning naman ako. Awan ako babayad na maningil. Kulang lagi na. Kulang.
Kahit ang British King ito muna.
Paningil ko pati sa mga 415, di ba? Sabot na 15.15. Hindi naman manibayad. On po pwede nga ka. So na pa yung maningil, di ba? Hindi mo mukha mo lakaw. Kasi may mga dito. Awat mo, kuhota siya. Kuhota siya. Kinakuhota na kasi bayad.
Bayaran, magyapon na.
Wala mo kaya tayo. Maningil mo kasi. Diyan mo natin isuraya siya. Masasabot ko.
Ay, pagkabata din.
Fourth quarter.
Kung papawis nga lang, sobra pa player, balik-balik.
Rabuya, yan yung gabuya.
Rabuya, sabi ko Rabuya, oh. Ikaw ang nagsabing Rabuya.
Bani Luna. Fourth quarter. Kinichu. Rabuya. Guard by Tejada. Tap. It's yellow ball. Adams USD ball. USD. Now Tejada. Alvera. 14 to shoot. Steal by Alcala. Now Layos. Tejada.
Ayun.
Whoa! Walang kumati pa. Bayabo yan na 50 to 37. 13-point lead now USD. It's 9 minutes. Kinichu. Luna. Back to Kinichu. Nice pass. Rabuya again. Yes, and Rabuya now 39 against the 50. Abuya to Tejada. Guarded by Rabuya. Down. Tejada escapes short. Tejada again. Tejada foul. Foul on number 18 on Rabuya. First on Adamson. 8 minutes and 39 seconds. Foul on number 12 on Kinichi Chikatu. Second team foul on Adamson. Second personal foul on Pikachu Kinichi. Offensive foul on number 16, Abuyan. First team foul against UST.
Abuyan,
Third personal foul on Abuyan. Kirichu. Navarro. Luna. Short. 8 minutes. And our second game, second match. It's UP versus Lasal. Abuyan. To Layos. 14 to shoot. Card by Luna. 10 to shoot. Oh! Magic Layos now 52 to 39. Alcala. It's UST ball. UST. Kayo naglabas. Fourth quarter. White. Tihada. Stop. Pump. Short. Kirichu. Navarro. Short. Rabuya. In and out. Yes, on Navarro. 41 to 52. 11-point lead now on USD. Rakalang violation on Baraga. It's 7 minutes. Timeout on USD.
Wala akong barya.
Meron, may barya ako. Pagkalala. Wala ko, may barya ako. Pagkalala. Ilan ba?
Sino nagtinda ng eskindi kahapon?
6 minutes and 58 seconds. 52 versus 41.
Pagod na sila.
It's Adamson ball. Adamson. Now Kirichu. Ihada. Too strong. Kirichu. All alone. Raboya. Yes, now 43 to 52. 9-point lead on USD. Layos, guarded by Luna. 14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. 1 second to shoot. 1 second. Something to shoot up. Stop. Something to shoot up. Stop. 1 second.
No.
24 shot clock violation. 24 shot clock violation.
65. 35.
Okay lang yan. Bye.
Nag-depensa!
Hey.
Pante! Tira mo! Yan,
You have
sige!
5 dirham niya sa lagib niya.
What?
5 dirham.
5 ganun?
Short.
Shooter ka na! Oy, magna!
Now Tihada is still by Alcala.
Bing bang.
Oh, the Pedro Navarro now 45 to 52. 7-point lead now USD. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Last quarter. First game. It's your UAP. Foul. Foul on 08 on Alcala. 13 foul on Adamson. First on Alcala. Tihada. 10 to shoot.
The mic.
Tied. Elimination. Substitution up. Substitution. 5 minutes. And still we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. 52 to 45, 7-point lead on UST. Kirichu, foul. Foul on number 29 on Tihada.
Tihada second.
Second personal foul on Tihada. Second. Foul number 9 on Sanito Serap. Ocampo. Basket substitution Serap. 46 to 42. Basket substitution.
Panginoon Campo.
Campo first.
Kailangan team foul.
Team foul.
Substitution Serap. Sub.
Kailangan UST.
UST 2.
Second team foul on UST. Now Bial. Kairuan Pikachu, Kinichu. $13 to shoot, 13. It's 4 minutes, 39 seconds, 13 to shoot. Ocampo, 10 to shoot. 5. Wow! Substitution rep, sub rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep, Ocampo out, tabuyan eh. 4 minutes and 19 seconds.
Ready, pensa tayo.
52 to 47. Kinichu. Navarro. In and out. Rebound on Tihada. Tihada. Tubuyal. Drive. Ah!
Two shots! Pipigil lang tayo para makagawa tayo.
Foul on Navarro. Warning for penalty on Adamson. Second personal foul against Navarro.
Dalawang 8. Si Alcaraz na pa.
3 minutes and 57 seconds. It's 52-47. 5-point lead on UST. Now 53 to 47, back to 6-point lead on UST.
Pensa! Yung press! Dramos na yan! Ayan na! Nice!
Whoa! Rabuya!
Uli yan!
Mrs. Mako.
Uli yan!
Black! May Rabuya! Esteba! 10 to shoot! Tiara? Whoa! What a move by Dan! Stop 55 to 49. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Now, Kinichu. Steal again by Tihada. Tihada to Rabuya. And out. To Tihada. Tihada now.
Time out.
Black by Kinichu. Now Alcala. Alcala now. It's 3-on-2. Alcala drive. Alcala to Navarro. Black foul.
Time out daw.
Out.
Isa na lang time out yan.
Isa na lang?
13 foul on UST. 13 foul.
Nag-time out kayo kanina 6 minutes 58 seconds.
Fourth quarter, nag-time out kayo isa.
Fourth quarter wala. UST ng time out. UST nung nagkukuha
Wala kanina sila last.
Hindi kayo nag-time out. Hindi nga. Sila nag-time out. Wala. UST lang. Hindi kami nag-time out. Hindi kami nag-time out. Third quarter wala. Fourth quarter wala. Third quarter wala kaming time out.
2 minutes and 49 seconds. 2.
Labas.
Now 50 to 55. 5-point lead now UST. Tihada. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Five-point lead on UST. 14 to shoot. 57-50. Alcala. Nice pass, Gonzalez. Out! Tijada. Now Albena. To Guyal. Back to Albena. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound by Baroga. Top. Guyal. 14 to set clock at 14. Last 2 minutes. In and out. Baroga again. In and out. Rebound at Navarro. Navarro to Kinichu. Kinichu. Paso Alcala.
Ay.
Babaya. Block behind Babaya. No. Up. In and out. Kinichu. 1 minute and 39 seconds. It's 4-on-2. Kinichu. Alcala. Jump ball. Time out. On USD. It's Adamson ball. It's time out on USD.
O di wala na sila, ubus na. Ubus na. Kanina sila pa lang nag-time out dito, wala.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 57 against 50.
Wala na time out, sir, ha? Sir, wala na time out. Dalawa na. Dalawa na time out niyo, sir, ha? Dalawa na. Wala na time out.
Bola natin, Pe, Adamson. Nag-jump ball na kami.
Adamson ball. Adamson. It's USD jump ball. Adamson ball.
Dito lang, dito.
1 minute and 30 seconds. It's 57 to 50. Oh, Mendoza. 52. 57. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 40 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 2. Penalty na, penalty. Foul on Kinito Pikachu.
Kinito third person.
Third personal foul on number 12 on Kinito Pikachu. It's 1 minute 11 seconds. Short. It's 57 to 52. 5-point lead USD. Now 58 to 52. 6-point lead now. USD. Now Mendoza. Luna. Short. Rebound by Guyal. Foul. Foul on Rabuya. Penalty na, penalty. 55 seconds. And our next game, it's LaSalle against UP.
Yung marami.
59 to 52.
Marami. Hindi na.
Luna, 1-1 by Baruga. Luna, Kinichu. 45 seconds. Navarro, Navarro! Basket count and 1 on Navarro. It's foul on 23. 29. On Tihada.
There, 41 seconds.
Tihada second.
Kaya pa yan.
Second personal foul on Tihada. Warning for penalty on USD. It's 41 seconds.
Baroga.
Tao.
Buyal. Foul.
Baroga o Campo.
Alon Rabuya. Penalty na, penalty. 36 seconds. 59 against 54. 60-54, 60-24, 36 seconds.
Ayaw nga kumuha ng
Foul!
science.
Foul on number 1.
Goyo.
On Real, penalty rep. 27 seconds, 27.
Ipahabol na lang natin sa'yo. Ibarra pala to. Big Ibarra.
55 to 60. 5-point lead on USD. Foul on Navarro. Penalty rep, penalty.
Kailan yun?
Navarro third.
Third personal foul on number 8 against Navarro. 25 seconds, 25. Basket substitution tayo ba? Basket substitution. "25 seconds. Short. Foul. Substitution left, sub. 62 out. Foul on number 29 on Luna. Penalty.
Kaya na Luna.
Second.
Second personal foul on Luna.
Penalty.
61 against 55.
Big. Shooter nila ha. 29 ha.
Sixty-two to 55.
Shooter. Ayun na!
Ay.
Luna. Short.
Wala talaga.
13 seconds, 13. 7-point lead, USD. Oh, Navarro. 5 seconds. 2 seconds, 2. (62-57). Fourth on Navarro. Warning on Navarro. Fourth foul against Navarro. 63-57. 63-57. 2 seconds. 64. 57.